Welcome to our guide on air conditioning installation in Cape Town, where comfort meets efficiency, especially during those hot summer months. Whether you're upgrading or installing a new system, choosing the right installation service is crucial. Let's dive in. Why does professional air conditioning installation matter? A properly installed system ensures optimal performance, energy efficiency, and a longer lifespan. On the other hand, incorrect installation can lead to higher energy bills, frequent malfunctions, and even voided warranties. Investing in professional services guarantees comfort and savings for years to come. Here's what to look for when choosing an air conditioning installation service. 1. Experience and expertise. Ensure the technicians have the skills to handle various systems and tailor the installation to your space. 2. Comprehensive assessment. The best providers evaluate your home or office to recommend the ideal system based on size, insulation, and energy needs. 3. Certifications and licenses. Always work with certified professionals who follow industry standards. 4. Transparent pricing. Look for detailed quotes that clearly break down costs. 5. After-sales support. Choose a service that offers warranties, maintenance plans, and reliable customer support. Let's take a look at the top air conditioning installation services in Cape Town. 1. Paradigm Cooling. Known for their expertise and customer-first approach, they offer customized solutions for residential and commercial spaces. Their certified technicians ensure professional installation and ongoing support through maintenance plans. 2. Cool Cape Installations. Specializing in energy-efficient systems, they provide free site evaluations and eco-friendly solutions. Customers love their prompt service and expertise with top brands like Samsung, LG, and Daikin. 3. Airflow Cape Town. This reliable provider offers quick and efficient installations for homes and large commercial spaces. With affordable pricing and no hidden fees, their professionalism stands out. 4. Cape Air Solutions. Providing end-to-end services, they install mid-wall split units, portable ACs, and inverter systems. With years of experience, they're a trusted choice for tailored solutions and post-installation support. Here are the benefits of choosing the best installation services. 1. Expert recommendations. Get guidance on selecting the right system for your needs. 2. Improved efficiency. Proper installation lowers energy costs and boosts system performance. 3. Longer lifespan. Well-installed systems last longer with fewer repairs. 4. Safety assurance certified technicians handle refrigerants and electrical connections safely. Preparing for your air conditioning installation, here are some tips. 1. Clear the area around the installation site for easy access. 2. Discuss placement options with your technician for maximum efficiency. 3. Ensure your power supply meets the system's requirements. 4. Ask about maintenance schedules to keep your system in top shape. At Paradigm Cooling, we take pride in delivering top-notch air conditioning installation services in Cape Town. Here's why we're the preferred choice. Tailored solutions. We assess your space and recommend the perfect system. Skilled technicians. Our team is experienced with all major brands and system types. Affordable pricing. Competitive rates without compromising quality. Comprehensive support. From installation to maintenance, we've got you covered. Here are some frequently asked questions. How long does installation take? Typically 4 to 8 hours, depending on the system and space. Can I install an air conditioner myself? DIY installation is not recommended. It can void warranties and cause inefficiencies. What's the best type of air conditioner for Cape Town? Split systems and inverter units are ideal for Cape Town's climate. How often should I service my air conditioner? At least once a year or every 6 months for high-usage systems. Stay cool and comfortable all year round with expert air conditioning installation services in Cape Town. Contact Paradigm Cooling today to get started. Like, subscribe, and share this video for more helpful tips.